I know how life changing and emotionally challenging it can be when a person suddenly loses control over their own body, especially when your arms and shoulders stop working the way they used to. How you lift a cup, comb your hair, dress up, or even feed yourself becomes a struggle. I can truly understand the pain of stroke survivors who wish every day to move their arms freely again. And most of the time, you keep telling yourself, one day my arm will move again, I will be alright. And yes, that is 100% possible. With the right shoulder focus exercises, along with the correct treatment approach, stroke patients can activate weak muscles, rebuild neural connections, and gradually regain lost arm mobility. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have years of expertise in treating stroke and neurological disorders. I have helped thousands of stroke patients regain movement using a personalized homeopathy treatment along with physiotherapy guidance. Today I am here to show you simple and powerful shoulder exercises that you can easily perform at home. Now let's come to the shoulder exercise that will increase neuroplasticity and help regain movement. So let's begin. The shoulder exercise is assisted shoulder flexion or lifting arm up with support. Okay, so now let's know how to do it. Take help from your healthy hand, interlock your fingers together, slowly raise the affected arm upward in front of your body. Go as high as you can comfortably. Hold for 5 seconds and slowly return. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. It will improve arm lifting ability and reduce stiffness in the shoulder joint. The second shoulder exercise is the table slide movement. It will help improve forward reach. Sit straight with the table in front of you. Place a towel under your affected arm. Slowly slide the hand forward on the table. Lean your chest slightly to support the motion. Hold for 5 seconds and slide back. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. It will help with daily activities like reaching, eating, or writing. Now the third shoulder exercise is pendulum shoulder swing. Let's move on to the method. Bend forward from your waist. Let your affected arm hang freely downward. Gently move the arm forward and backward, side to side in circular motions. You should do 10 gentle swings in each direction. It relieves stiffness, improves joint lubrication, and reduces shoulder pain. Alright, so the last shoulder exercise is shoulder external rotation with towel roll. Sit straight, keep a small towel roll between affected elbow and body. Use your good hand to gently rotate the affected arm outward, keeping elbow fixed. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. It strengthens rotator cuff muscle, which are essential for lifting arms sideways and preventing shoulder subluxation. Alright, so these are 4 shoulder exercises that will help you regain arm movement after a stroke. Do them regularly and experience the change in your overall mobility. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.